If you want to remove a Boolean in Blender quickly and cleanly, this tutorial will show you exactly how to do it, step by step. Boolean modifiers are incredibly useful for creating cuts, holes, and complex shapes, but sometimes you need to remove them and clean up the mesh afterward. In the next few minutes, I'll show you the fastest way to remove a Boolean modifier, plus what to do if the Boolean has already been applied. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Blender tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Blender and select the object that has the Boolean on it. You need to make sure the correct object is active in the 3D viewport, because the Boolean modifier will only appear for the selected object. If you click the wrong mesh, you may think the modifier is missing when it's actually attached to something else. Next, look over to the right side of Blender and find the Properties panel. In that panel, click the Modifiers tab, which is the wrench icon. This is where Blender stores all of the modifiers applied to your object, including mirror, subdivision surface, and Boolean. Once you click the wrench icon, you should see the full list of modifiers currently affecting the object. Now, scroll through the modifier stack and find the Boolean modifier. It will usually be listed by name, and if you have more than one modifier, make sure you're removing the correct one. This is important because if your object has multiple modifiers, deleting the wrong one could change the shape in a way you didn't expect. To remove the Boolean modifier, simply click the X icon on the modifier itself. This instantly deletes the modifier from the stack and removes the Boolean effect from the object. In most cases, this is all you need to do if you only want to get rid of the live Boolean setup and keep the base mesh. As soon as you click that X, Blender will update the object and the Boolean cut will disappear. However, there's one important thing to understand. If the Boolean was already applied, removing the modifier won't work the same way, because the geometry has already been baked into the mesh. In that case, you'll need to clean up the leftover geometry manually. To do that, press Tab to enter Edit mode. Edit mode lets you work directly with the mesh itself, which is exactly what you need after an applied Boolean. Once you're in Edit mode, inspect the object carefully and look for any unwanted faces, edges, or leftover cut geometry that the Boolean left behind. Sometimes this will be extra internal geometry, strange topology, or pieces that no longer belong in the final model. Select the unwanted geometry you want to remove. You can use box select, circle select, or simply click individual faces depending on how much cleanup is needed. Once the unwanted pieces are selected, press X on your keyboard and choose Delete. This removes the leftover Boolean cuts from the mesh and helps restore a cleaner model. If needed, keep cleaning the mesh until it looks right. In some cases, you may also want to use Merge by Distance, fill holes, or recalculate normals if the Boolean left the object in rough shape. But for most simple cases, deleting the modifier and then removing the leftover geometry in Edit mode is enough to fully remove a Boolean in Blender. So the quick version is this. Select your object, go to the wrench icon in the Properties panel, find the Boolean modifier, and click X to remove it. And if the Boolean was already applied, go into Edit mode, select the leftover geometry, and delete it manually. That's the cleanest way to remove a Boolean in Blender. If this tutorial saved you time, please hit like and subscribe for more quick Blender fixes, beginner-friendly tutorials, and practical 3D modeling tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.